Are you trying to decide between Synology and Ugreen? You're not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular brands. Both offer solutions for storage and connectivity, but they serve different purposes. Synology is known for its powerful network attached storage systems. They help you store, manage, and share data easily. You can access your files from anywhere, making it great for home or business use. On the other hand, Ugreen focuses on accessories. They provide a wide range of products like cables, adapters, and hubs. Ugreen helps you connect your devices smoothly, whether it's for charging or data transfer. Now, let's look at the key differences. Synology is all about storage solutions, while Ugreen is more about connectivity. If you need a place to store files, Synology is the way to go. If you need to connect devices, Ugreen has you covered. When it comes to features, Synology offers advanced software for file management and backup. Ugreen, however, provides high quality cables and adapters that are reliable and easy to use. In terms of pricing, Synology tends to be more expensive due to its advanced technology. Ugreen is usually more affordable, making it a good choice for budget conscious shoppers. So, which one should you choose? If you need a robust storage solution, go for Synology. If you just need reliable cables and adapters, eGreen is perfect for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this.